Welcome to my quick tutorial on updating your schedule in Canvas using Microsoft Excel. You can also use Google Sheets. It will do the same thing. I'll try and keep this brief and yet try and make it somewhat clear. This is a trick that I have been doing for a couple of semesters. I figured I would put it in a video to help others who've asked me about it. As you can see, I have Canvas open on the left-hand side of my screen, and I have Microsoft Excel open on the right-hand side of my screen. I have already gone into Canvas and I have imported the previous semester's course schedule into my current semester's course schedule. So what you see on Canvas right now is my Engineering 2030 Dynamics class. All of the lectures and the chapters are in the same order that they were the previous semester. I have already deleted all the days and the dates. We're going to edit that and add all of the dates for this semester, and we're going to do that using Excel. So on the right hand side of Excel, I have all of the days here. This class is meeting on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So it's an MWRF course. The very first day of class is August 30th of 2021. So I have all of the days in here, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I entered those in and then I copied and pasted those all the way down. And then I have also taken the liberty of adding what I think will be Labor Day, our fall break, which is going to be just a Friday this semester, and then we will have Thanksgiving break in November. So let me show you real quick. If you take the very first day of class and enter the date 8/30/2021 into Microsoft Excel, it should put it in this format. I've picked a format that has the slashes rather than the dashes. Either way, however you want that to do that. And then when we get to Wednesday, in order to create the date for Wednesday, I'm going to write a formula in Excel. So I'll click on the box next to Wednesday, and then I'm going to hit the equal sign. And then I'm going to say the previous class date plus 2 days, right? Wednesday is 2 days after Monday. So equals C4 plus 2. Hit enter, and I have September 1st, 2021, which is the date for that Wednesday. For Thursday, this time I'm going to say equals Wednesday's date plus 1. And now it says September 2nd. And then for Friday, same thing. I'm going to say equals Thursday's date plus 1. And then what I can do is when I get to Monday of the following week, I'm going to say equals the previous Monday plus 7 days. Okay, and then for Wednesday, I'm going to say equals the previous Wednesday plus 7 days. For Thursday, equals the previous Thursday plus 7 days. And for Friday, equals previous Friday plus 7 days. Okay, so now I have a week following the first week of class, which has been populated. It has all the dates. I'm going to highlight all 4 days of the second week, which has those formulas in it. And I'm going to hit Control-C on my computer to copy those cells. I'll go to the next Monday, and I'm going to hit Control-V to paste those formulas there. And as you can see, Microsoft Excel is updating those for every week. And I'm just going to keep doing that through all of the Mondays through the rest of the semester. Bear with me. Sorry if it's taking a little bit of time here. There we go. The last Monday, believe it or not, is the last day of class. There's no classes beyond that. So I'm just going to copy one Monday cell and paste it down here. Last day of class is Monday, December 13th. If you want, you can jump down to your schedule on your computer. Let's just go to December and let's double check. The last day of class is Monday the 13th. The date looks to be working. The 13th is a Monday. I think we're good to go. The other thing you can do is you can jump to the academic calendar and let's just double check on the holidays. Labor Day is September 6th. Fall vacation is October 22nd. Let's double check that. That one populated in the right spot. And then Thanksgiving is November 24th through the 26th. Let's double check that. And it looks like that's working just fine. So now let's jump back to Canvas, and here is the easy part. I'm going to hit edit on my course schedule page. Bring that up. I'm going to expand that window a little bit. It'll be a little bit easier to put that in. The last thing I also put was that the final on this class just happens to be on Wednesday, December 15th in the classroom at 7 a.m. So prepare yourselves, students. It's going to be an early one. So I'm just going to copy all of the days and all of the dates. The reason I have the days and the dates separate, let me show you that real quick, is because next semester in the spring of 2022, the days of the week will not change, but the dates of the week will change, and so I keep them separate. By contrast, if you don't want to do that and you want one column for your schedule, you can just come up here to click on the date, and then you can change, if you click on home, change the date format to long date format, and it's going to include the Monday. But I don't really want that, so I just want the days separate from the date, and I want the dates in numbers. Anyway, so we're going to copy this whole thing here. Hit Control-C on all of it, and here's the beautiful part. We come over here to Canvas. I'm going to click on the first day of class, and I'm going to hit Control-V and paste, and there we are. We have all of our days added, and if you look, let's just double check at the very end. It will not always work out so that your last day of class, well, there's a big one. Not sure why that one ended up so big. The last day of class will not always match your last day of class from the previous semester. So you do have to go through and shift all of these assignments. For example, we had spring break that was in the way the previous semester, so there's 4 days that don't exist, right? And so I can delete those, and I'll have to keep shifting all of my assignments, my homework and stuff up as we go. So that's about it. You still do have to go through and go day by day and shift it. Obviously, this no class, it will not be the holiday that we do for Martin Luther King Day, but it's going to be Labor Day, right? That's going to be different this semester. And then when we get down to like President's Day, that's not going to work. So I need to move some things around for that. Anyway, hopefully you guys can figure that out on your own. I just wanted to show you quickly how to use Microsoft Excel to build all of your dates for the semester and copy them in pretty easily. Now, when you go to change the due dates on all of your homework assignments, you can also use the Canvas bulk assignment editor, and I have a separate video for that. I'll put the link below so you can find it in the description for this video. Hopefully that is super helpful. I just found out about that this past summer, and I've been using it already, and I can change the assignment dates on all the assignments for the whole semester in a fraction of the time than I used to be able to. I think I found the smarter way of doing it. Anyway, that is long enough. I'll let you go. Hopefully this is helpful, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.